Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I brought you a healthy and refreshing snack recipe. It is super easy and you don't need to stand by the stove for hours. Let's see what we need for a delicious roasted cabbage. 1 medium red cabbage, 1 fresh lemon juice, salt, pepper to taste, 4 tablespoons of butter, olive oil and 4 garlic cloves. Now, before we start, please don't forget to like. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. Thank you very much. Turn on your oven and warm it up until 205 degrees. As a first step, rinse the cabbage. After rinsing the cabbage, remove the outside layers, approximately 2 to 4 layers. Cut the cabbage into 8 pieces. I will only use 7 pieces for this recipe because I want to make some fresh salad from this cabbage. Put the cabbage slices on a baking tray. Then apply olive oil each side of the cabbage with a pastry brush. Just a quick reminder for you guys. Don't forget to check out the description for some shopping links. Now sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides. When the oven is hot enough, roast the cabbage on 205 Celsius for 20 minutes. In the meantime, grate the garlic cloves. I use all 4 pieces. You can adjust it up to your taste. Now we melt up the butter on medium heat. When the butter is melted, add garlic. Stir it constantly and fry it until it's golden. When it is golden, remove from the heat. Then stir in fresh squeezed lemon juice. Add half teaspoon salt and pepper for better taste. After 20 minutes, turn the cabbage slices around. Then bake it for another 20 minutes until the edges become crispy. As you can see, our cabbage is nice and crispy. We apply the butter lemon sauce with a pastry brush on both sides. And it is ready to eat. You can eat it with bread or as a side dish. Make sure you serve it warm. I eat it just like that. The lemon juice makes it very refreshing. I appreciate that you are watching. I hope you have enjoyed my video. See you next time. Bon appetit!